Well, you know what? I love SoulScale. It's been transformative for me. I have tried so many other programs in the past. I've tried, Weight Watchers, Jenny Craig, doing things on my own. And I would always lose some weight, maybe 10 pounds or something, but then I'd gain back 12, So it was just this ping pong back and forth, and it was so frustrating. It's that roller coaster of losing weight, being excited, and then being depressed, And so then I discovered SoulScale, and let me tell you, it's just totally amazing. I love how transformative it is. I love how the structure of it is. So you have a weekly check-in, which is awesome. I needed that accountability, and the diet is very. I wouldn't even say it's a diet. It's a routine. It's a way of life. Really. So what I love about it is that accountability. It's easy in the sense that it's structured. Okay, I wouldn't say it's easy in the weight falls off, although the weight falls off, which is really amazing because like the first week, I think I lost close to 7 pounds. And so then that's invigorating and that gets your energy up and you're like, yeah, I can do this, And then the women, were losing around 2 pounds a week. And I was told that I was actually averaging even higher. I did it with my husband, which was super great because then we're motivating each other. We're keeping each other on fire, But the frustrating thing is he's losing a ton of weight, I hate that about the men, right? But he did great. Overall, we were on the program for 3 months. I hit my goal weight. So I wanted to lose 30 pounds. On my last weigh-in, I hit that 30-pound mark, so that was super exciting. My husband lost like 60 or 65, something like that. So close to 100 pounds between the two of us, which is amazing. And then just the fact that now we're in maintenance. I love maintenance because it's, again, still structured, but more like I'm eating my own meals. I'm learning how to live my life. I can go to a party, I can go to my work meeting and see the food and judge. Well, let me pull out the fruit, let me pull out the egg or whatever, and I'm not going for the pastries and the junk food and all of that. So that's what I love about it. I know this is just my way of lifestyle. It's going to be my very last diet because I got into that frame of mind that I'm not going to do this anymore. I'm not going to do the ping pong. I'm not going to do the roller coaster. I just want to have smooth sailing. So I love SoulScale. It's just been transformative for me, and I will praise this program for the rest of my days.